1953, Ford introduces the greatest line of trucks ever built. More than 190 completely new models with the one right truck for your job. And every 1953 Ford truck has new speed hauling features to save you time, save you money with safety. See the Ford economy trucks for 53 at your Ford dealers. Now, the all-new Ford pickup with an automatic truck transmission, Ford-O-Matic. With twice the getaway power of hand-shift transmissions, Ford-O-Matic is but one of many speed-hauling features that save you time and save you money with safety. See the Ford economy trucks for 53 at your Ford dealers. For 1953, Ford economy trucks offer more engineering advancements than any truck line has ever before offered. For greater comfort, stronger construction, easier steering, and road-hugging stability, see the Ford economy trucks for 53 at your Ford dealers. They're new all the way. More ways new than any trucks in history. See the greatest line of Ford trucks ever built, the completely new Ford economy trucks for 53, now at your Ford dealers. Here's one of the newest trucks in 50 years. The all-new Ford pickup, now available with a fully automatic transmission, Ford-O-Matic. It's only one of the many new time-saving features in the totally new Ford economy trucks for 53.
Here's a sound familiar to millions of kids of every age. And look who's driving. Jack Carson, star of the new comedy, The Good Humor Man. Jack plays the part of an ice cream bar salesman, gets involved in all sorts of funny situations, and solves them in his good-natured way. As he starts his Ford F1 truck, the bells ring again and he's off. And just as Jack is typical of good humor salesmen, so this clean white truck is typical of the Ford F1s on the go for the Good Humor Company. Pennies are big money here. That's why the Good Humor Company is switching to Ford, America's #1 economy truck, at the rate of $200 a year. Yes, and all over America, Ford trucks are proving economy. From this 110 horsepower six-cylinder F6 to this smart new parcel delivery, Ford trucks are built to keep running costs low. Now over 175 models to choose from. And remember, Ford trucking costs less because Ford trucks last longer.
You're looking at a section of the great Los Angeles Parkway project. Here, modern truck-mounted concrete mixers like this are helping speed construction of a dream highway being cut straight through the heart of the city. Owned by the Blue Diamond Company of Los Angeles, this rugged Ford 110 horsepower Big Six, one of more than 175 models in the Ford truck line, is answering the need for fast, efficient delivery of truck mixed concrete direct to the job. But economy as well as performance is being proved here. Take it from a man who knows, Blue Diamond Company executive M.B. Coleman.
For rugged duty and real economy of operation, I don't think you can beat the Ford F6. Since we've had them, we've spent practically nothing on repairs, and our fuel costs are way down. They're really doing a great job.
And remember, Ford trucking costs less because Ford trucks last longer.
In today's swift-flowing traffic stream, trucking time lost is money wasted. But Ford's done something about it with the brand new Ford economy trucks for 53. A truck line specifically designed to save money by saving time. Ford's new driverized cab with its wider three-man seat, larger one-piece windshield, and many other comfort and efficiency features saves trucking time by reducing driver fatigue. Shifting is quicker and easier with Ford's new synchro-silent transmissions. There is easier maneuverability with Ford's wider front tread and new set-back front axles. And there's always plenty of power whenever and wherever you need it with Ford's modern 6 and V8 engines. These are all features that can boost your profits by helping to get jobs done fast. Save time, save money. See the Ford economy trucks for 53 with the one right truck for your job. They're here, And they're completely new for 53. The totally new Ford economy trucks. The greatest Ford trucks ever built. For 1953, Ford offers the widest range of trucks in its history. A truck line so expanded, it now offers a truck for virtually every hauling need, with the one right truck for your job. Over 190 completely new models, 4 new lines. 1, a new conventional line. 2, a new cab forward line. 3, a new parcel delivery line. 4, a new school bus line. And every Ford economy truck for 53 has scores of new features with more advancements than any truck line has ever offered before. New time-saving features to get jobs done fast. See the completely new Ford economy trucks for 53 at your Ford dealers. The convenience starts with the new push-button door handle. The performance starts with a touch on the accelerator in the brand new 1953 Ford pickup with Ford-O-Matic drive. The fully automatic transmission, now available in all half-tonners. But experience for yourself the no-shift ease of stop-and-go driving with Ford-O-Matic. Just one of the many new time-saving features in the all-new Ford trucks for 53 to get jobs done fast. You get a choice of power in this new economy pickup, the famous V8 or low-friction 6. You get added comfort with Ford's new driverized cab with its big new curved one-piece windshield, 4-foot-wide rear window, wider 3-man seat, and many other features designed to cut driver fatigue. Find out how you can save time, save money with safety with brand new Ford economy trucks for 53. See them today at your Ford dealers. This truck and every one of the over 190 models in the completely new Ford truck line for 53 offers new time-saving features to get jobs done fast. There's the new driverized cab with a big new curved one-piece windshield, plus scores of other features to cut driver fatigue, boost efficiency. There's stronger construction throughout with new deep channel frames. The wider tracks at back front axle and shorter wheelbase mean a shorter turning radius and easier handling. New synchro-silent transmissions, now standard in all models at no extra cost, mean faster, easier shifting. In the F100 series, Ford now offers a fully automatic transmission. Ford-O-Matic. See the all-new Ford trucks for 53 with the one right truck for your job. See the completely new Ford economy trucks for 53 at your Ford dealers.